Biome is that unit of ecosystem which you can identify with a uniform geographical and weather conditions in any part of the world, to which the plants and animals are uniformly adapted. यानी कोई भी ऐसा इकोसिस्टम जिसको आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो एज अ यूनिट ड्यू टू इट्स ज्योग्राफी एंड वेदर कंडीशंस, एंड क्योंकि almost uniform set of geography and weather conditions होते हैं, that is why you see almost similar adaptations of the living organisms who are living in that geographical unit. So here you are bringing the component of both the living organism which are adapted and the abiotic geography to which the living organisms are adapted. So this is one ecosystem जहाँ पे इसकी term में you see the biotic and abiotic, bio geographical unit. It is only telling you the extent to which we have to go in studying ecosystem so that we get a particular unit, a particular reference unit that is known as biogeographical unit. समझ आई बात? कोई confusion तो नहीं? ठीक है? Now in a biome, like if you look at earth, you have divided the earth into many number of biomes. For example, you have grassland, you have forest, you have deserts, you have lakes, you have oceans, you have rivers. All of these are different biomes. Like they all show a similar set of conditions. For example, you can distinguish between a lake and a river. Is it distinguishable? You can distinguish between a lake and an ocean, and the conditions would differ. You can distinguish between desert and grassland, right? So this is how we are identifying the biogeographical units. अब क्योंकि ये एक particular unit है, इस पे adaptations आपको देखने, so you can definitely say that the adaptation to a lake ecosystem would be different than to a oceanic ecosystem, right? So this is how you bring in the uniformity, or this is how you find out the characteristic of any ecosystem. Clear? Now when I say a biome is a huge biogeographical unit, ठीक है? In that biome, would there be any further ecosystems? In a particular biome, can there be many other ecosystems in it? When I say desert, now desert is also an ecosystem and it is a biome. Within this desert, will you have other ecosystems as well, smaller ecosystems, or would you find the entire desert to be xerophytic conditions only? No. You would see that in desert you will also find oases. You will also find coastal ecosystems. So the desert can have many more ecosystems within it, although the desert itself is an ecosystem. Clear? ये समझ आया? Secondly, the biomes have transitional boundaries. They do not have sharp boundaries. आप किसी भी biome को देख लीजिए, they will always have transitional boundaries and not very sharp boundaries. Now, because of this transition, what would happen that when one biome is ending and the next biome is starting, there would come an intermediate space which is the transitional zone. जहां पे because the boundary is transition तो एक transitional तो एकदम से ये वाला biome, for example there is a forest, okay, and it is trying to transition into a desert. यहाँ पे precipitation कम होता जा रहा है and that is why transitions into desert. But you cannot simply draw a line and say that this is forest and this is desert. What would actually happen that the forest here, the green cover would reduce and get eventually reduced. Finally, it is going to get disappeared because of the precipitational scarcity that is there in the desert. अब ये जो intermediate zone है जहाँ पे it is neither desert nor forest, this would be known as grassland. Grassland मतलब you do not have very tall trees, but it is not completely devoid of the green cover. तो ये जो transitional zone बनता है because the biomes do not have sharp boundaries, these are known as ecotone zones. Clear? समझ आई बात? Sundarbans is a ecotone zone. It is a transition between terrestrial and an aquatic ecosystem. It is neither completely aquatic nor completely terrestrial. So this is happening because there is a transition of boundaries. The boundaries are not very sharp. Apart from this, the biomes, no two biomes are exactly same on the earth. No two biomes can be alike on the earth. The biomes are always different. And if you connect all the biomes that are present on the planet earth, what will you get is the earth itself. यानी इतने ही biomes हैं जितनी earth है, and that is how you get the other collection of the biomes would give you the earth itself. Clear? Biome समझ आया?
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.